Hi guys, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to get Aptoide to install Minecraft. So let's go to Chrome. Then you will type these. Then go to this one and you should be here. Sorry. Wait a minute, sorry guys. Okay. Install Aptoide. Yes. Replace file. By the way, before you download the Aptoide, you should first go to settings, then go to security, I think. Yeah, it's security. Wait. No, not this. Wait, where is it? No. Lock screen, I think. Yeah, it's lock screen. Wait, what? Oh, this one! I did not notice that. This one. Unknown sources. Sorry, guys. But, come on, let's go to Aptoide. Yes. Next, install. Okay, open. Next. 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 Okay, come on. Let's get Minecraft P. Oh, sorry. Okay, come on. Let's search it. If you cannot find Minecraft PE, go to see more. And if you cannot find that, let's go to the browser. Let's just go for the Chrome because we cannot find it. Come on, let's get Minecraft. Put Minecraft here and it will show you. This one. 13.1. Okay, let's install it. Yes, please. Next, install. Okay, now we're done. Come on, remember to subscribe me or like this video if you want. If you want more videos, please just tell it in the comments. Bye guys.